P3, now we will start chapter number 11, exercise 11a, and the topic is trigonometric ratios. Before starting this exercise, first I will explain some key points to you so you can solve all the questions very easily. Okay, let me tell you that from exercise 11a, only basic level is included. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and rest of all the questions are excluded. So first I will explain you some key points of exercise 11a. So let's start. Okay girls, so first you need to understand that trigonometric ratios are applicable only to right angle triangles. As you know that we can only apply Pythagoras theorem to right angle triangles. Similarly, trigonometric ratios are also applicable only to right angle triangles. And for solving these trigonometric ratios, you just need to remember this TOA, ka, so, or you can pronounce it as soka toa, so you can learn it very easily. Soka toa. Okay, soka toa means Bigfoot lady, and it's a Chinese dialect. First point, we can only apply trigonometric ratios to right angle triangles, and for solving these you just need to remember soka toa, so you can solve all the questions very easily. And then you just need to do practice to identify the adjacent side, the opposite side and the hypotenuse. Okay, sides with reference to a given angle. And fourth point, you need to convert the mode as DEG of your calculators. And then last point, give answers correct to 3 significant figures. Why I am telling this? Because according to examination criteria, you are supposed to give your answers correct to 3 significant figures and angles in degrees correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, now let's come to the trigonometric ratios. Thus, this is a right angle triangle. We know that because in a right angle triangle, there must be one angle of 90 degrees. And we know that the side opposite to right angle triangle is called the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. So, if this is a right angle, then the side opposite to right angle is called the hypotenuse. Now, as I told you that you just need to identify the adjacent side, the hypotenuse side and the opposite side with reference to a given angle. Suppose if the given angle is here, then this side is adjacent to the angle and this side is opposite to this angle. Okay, this is hypotenuse, it is obvious. Then according to with reference to a given angle, if this is a given angle, then this side is the opposite side and the side which is adjacent is called the adjacent side. Okay, then in other case, again this is a right angle, so obviously this is a hypotenuse. Now suppose if the angle exists here, so this side is called the adjacent side and the side which is opposite is called the opposite side. Okay, so soka toa, S stands for sine and O stands for opposite, H stands for hypotenuse. So means S stands for sine, sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Suppose if we have this, then let's give them names A, B and C. Okay, and suppose if we are find sine, so sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, so which is the opposite side? B, and then hypotenuse is A, so the answer would be opposite over hypotenuse means B over A. Clear? Now C stands for cos, A stands for adjacent and H stands for hypotenuse. So, which is the adjacent side? C, and hypotenuse is A. So, this is C over A. Now, the last one, TOA. T stands for tan, O stands for opposite, and A stands for adjacent. So, which is the opposite side? It's B, and adjacent is C. Opposite is B, and adjacent is C. So, it would be B over C. So in this way you will solve these questions.